Right, let's get this intro over. I just want to check if everything's working. Yeah, okay, it is.
Yeah, everything is for me as well.
What's up today, guys? We're back with another video of Gary's Mod with Zach.
Hello.
We are doing what we did yesterday, which is running from Fredbear again, but on a different map.
It's
We
even
are
bigger.
on. Yeah, it's a really fun map. Honestly, it's gonna get our hearts like racing, but like it's insane. So I feel like let's just get into it, and yeah. Wait.
Right, look, stand there, stand there, stand there. I'm gonna spawn him in the doorway.
We both freaking rock. I can hear his footsteps. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, I tripped over something. Oh, yo, behind you.
Oh, hello.
Hi, I ran around, he went the other way, and I almost died. What are those? Bro, you have stuff coming off you. Off your back. They look like hip rings. Oh, I found the thing. Actually.
Did you buy popcorn?
Look in this corner. In that corner there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look what I have. Oh, I love Foxy. It's my favorite.
Fox. Yeah.
Come on, Foxatron.
Where is Mr. Big Boy? Wait, can we chill in here?
In there.
Oh, we can! Come to me.
He's thrown though we're in here though, because yeah, I don't feel
I
safe
can.
in here. I feel safer in the bigger room, if I'm being honest.
I don't like how much stuff you can get caught on.
Yeah, I think that's what makes this map a bit hard. Oh, they're all racked up.
Where's Mr. Big Boy? I can hear him. Why, that's so hard and he came out of nowhere.
Just standing in a corner with fucking Foxy. And I've cornered myself.
Oh, that's outside.
Oh, I know where you are. What was that?
I can hear him. He's somewhere down there.
Down there?
Come to me. Somewhere down there.
Oh, you changed skin. Bro, I slapped you and it got him triggered.
Fuck you. Holy shit. I'm getting. Oh my god, I went down a ladder and accidentally realized there's a ladder there. Come to me, come over here. So, this door, I hit the door, went down here on accident. He chased me down here.
I'll go check.
No way, he's still chasing. I just freaking got up here.
My god. Oh, that would make it scarier.
couldn't do anything. He trapped me.
Dude. Get over here.
I'm stuck. Help me. Where are you? Yeah.
Dude, I was literally.
How did you get up the ladder?
Dude, I was literally over here when you got killed. Wait, let me check. Hello. Oh, there's your body. Of course, you're in the kitchen.
That dude. Lucky that he's over. Lucky. I swear to God. Wait, he's chucking everything. Lucky.
Oh my god. Oh my. He's after you, dude.
No shit!
Did you leave him?
I just heard him. He's not here. You're a monkey! What is a monkey for? What is he after then? Why is fucking Sir Macintosh after me?
Dude, I had foot.
Look.
Wait, let's do him a show.
My heart.
Let's do him a show.
I can't handle this.
Right. Doing him a show. Actually, I should probably place another. There we go. Right. You wanna go down there? Right. Get off the stage. Right.
Okay.
My announcement is, right, this pizzeria is getting shut down forever. The creator of FNAF is never coming back.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Right, let's go get some Fredbear action.
Thank you.
Where's bro Fredbear?
I'm kinda scared.
I just have a feeling he's gonna come out of nowhere.
Wait, let's reenact what I literally saw him do. So I was stood here, yeah, and I watched this motherfucker spawn in here. He teleported. I kept hearing footsteps.
Wait, he can TP to us?
No, he was probably like stuck or something. I don't know how to explain the fact he literally teleported and was right there. Also,
He must have been literally here. And then literally just stood like there.
no, I watched him.
Bro, he spawned in. I ran this way around.
Yo.
Birds suddenly appear.
No, there was two.
Well, I know that now.
Oh, my heart.
There is another entrance.
What's this, a supply closet? Let's get out of there.
Yo.
You get traced? Yes, you are. I can hear it. I can't be locked in one entrance rooms. I have to go down here. Supply closet. Yes, you are. I can hear it. I can't be locked in one entrance rooms. I have to go down here. Supply closet! Oh my god! I didn't expect him to turn around!
Yo, reaped.
And sorry. So guys, we're gonna end it here. This was an insane freaking video. This was honestly making my heart go crazy. It was really fun though, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful rest of your day or night. And yeah, bye-bye. Oh my god, I broke his ankle.